Last one, and it's about finishing well. When a build is done, hand it over, defects closed, final claim paid, archive it, open the project, and click the menu in the corner. Choose Archive Project and confirm. It steps out of your active list. Your workspace only shows the jobs you're building right now. But nothing is deleted. We store your archived project. The schedule, the photos, the contract, the claims, the whole story, for 7 years. And at any point in those 7 years, you can download a copy to your own storage and keep it as long as you like. If a job ever comes back to life, one click on Restore. And that's the full journey, from a brand new account to a captured lead, from an estimate to a signed quote, from a contract to a live schedule, a managed site, and a job closed out properly. All in one place, all without the paperwork. Thanks for building along with us. Jump back into any video whenever you need it and start building paperless.